how Donald Trump is going to rescue the US dollar and save the US economy. This is an interesting segment. It gets into some historical aspects of the US dollar regarding military might, gold, oil, and eventually Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Hi there, crypto fans. Dick Allgire here. I'm in the studio at Ethereum Place. It's another beautiful day. All right, at the end of World War II, the U.S. was the big dog. The U.S. was the reigning superpower. The United States had all the military might. The sky was full of American bombers and fighter planes. We had a Navy that was unrivaled and victorious. We had guns, we had tanks, we had missiles, we had bombs, we had the atomic bomb. So we were able to say to the world, you all are going to be using the US dollar because we're stronger than you are. All right, at the end of World War II, the US also had the bulk of the gold supply in the world. During World War II, the Nazis stole a lot of the gold from Europe and had that cached away, and the Japanese stole most of the gold from Asia and had that stashed in the Philippines. It was called Yamashita's gold. There was caves full of it. And at the end of World War II, the US went in and they took the gold from the Nazis, they took the gold from the Japanese, and we were able to impose a gold-backed dollar on the world. In 1971, Nixon took the US off the gold-backed dollar, and what they switched it over to was oil. So we imposed the petrodollar on the world, and we told the world, all right, we're going to use oil to back the US dollar. You all have to use US dollars to buy and sell and transport oil. And that worked out very well. That's all coming to an end. Now Donald Trump is about to take office, and if you listen to him carefully, he has stated that he wants to create a Bitcoin repository to store the wealth of the United States in Bitcoin, which is a smart move. And he also has declared he wants no taxes on crypto income. Now, I asked my source, that can't be possible. That's too much money, crypto income. How could you not tax that? If you don't tax it, the world will come to America to do crypto transactions. What they will do is they will tax every transaction. So your crypto wealth, you and I, when we invest in Bitcoin, that won't be taxable. God, that will be glorious. But every transaction, and there will be quadrillions of dollars of cryptocurrency transactions. And if they can mostly be based in the US will continue to be fabulously wealthy. He will be able to get us out of debt, and it will be a glorious age. Now, is that going to happen? I'm told that's the plan. What do you think about it? I'd like to hear your reactions below. Using Bitcoin as a national resource, as a store of value, and the US needs to start holding its Bitcoin, and Trump needs to start buying more Bitcoin. If this happens, if just a little part of this happens, you will want to have at least 1/4 of a Bitcoin. If you have, I'm told if you have 1 Bitcoin, you're going to be wealth beyond belief. Bitcoin will become what we call unobtainium. It won't be available on the open market. It'll be privately sold by very rich people.